Hey, how are you? In this video lecture, we will discover some other amazing things in our this website. So let's first discuss the question you just asked me. So here we have a product. Like if I do edit this product, or even I have to edit this one, just in the product I have different. If I click on this one, I have variations. So if I do select any variation like a large variation, I will click on this area. It will display this one. So here I can set the price for large large this one, this product. Like I do want to add 150 and 160. Oh my, 140. The price of value less than the regular price, so regular price, all right, 140. And wait for the large and the shipping class. I have not set it any shipping class right now. I will let you train about shipping classes later. Like same, if I set it up, I will save it. uh, for medium, I will click on this area. I will set up different price because prices vary by sizes, so that's why for medium maybe this will be a little less. So same here for the small. So if I do add a new product, right, if I do add a new product, so I'll let you know about the variations. Here you will select the variable product. Only select the variable product if you have different variations like medium, large, small. If you have only one thing, then just select a simple product. In simple product, we have very clean options like regular price, sale price, inventory, shipping. I will let you know about the shipping on the next lecture. I will provide you this lecture today. And I was just discussing about the variable product. So let me select the variations. So before variation, add some attribute to the product like sizes or colors. Add, click on add and select all. If you want to exclude any size from this for this product, then just click on simple cross icon in the text area and save attributes. So here we go with saving the attributes for our products. Now let's click on variations. It's disabled right now. Let me attributes, hold on. So I have use variations. Yeah, say check this checkbox to use variation and save it. So now save your. So just wait a moment, like 10 to 15 seconds, it will just appear with some options. So here we have add variations. Just select this one and press on go button. So you will come up with different options like variations in sizes, because I have added only size attribute for this product. If you want to add color attribute, then you will have different options like colors as well in this section. Like large, for large variation, now I am just going to set the price. SKU unit means stock keeping unit, so in which format you are about to stock the product. Regular price for large, sale price, in stock, weight, dimensions, and little description about the large. Same here for medium size, for small size, and extra. So here you can set up the price and in stock, and for just check this icon if you want to maintain the stock for your product. So while you will check this icon, you will have this number stock quantity, where you can just select the number, how many number of items for this product you have in your store. And that's it. I think that's it about the this product option. So let me know if you do have any problem. Again, just go to your WordPress, and if you have set up your some products, just go and edit the products and set up different variations as well as a stock unit by checking manage stock. And next lecture I will provide you some instruction about shipping classes. So I'll just train you about the shipping classes, and you can add on shipping classes. Like shipping classes is just like a zone, shipping zone. It automatically calculate the fares while someone proceed to the checkout option in the website. So I think that's it for this lecture. I will provide you a lecture after a moment. So take care. Bye bye.